Do you know how to use a tire for pushing? You push it the other way, dummy. Hold on, Ryan. Back up. You put the tire in the other way.
I don't want to right in the middle of the tailgate.
Back up, Ryan. Tire should be this way. It's not even gonna do anything. You might as well just push it without a fucking tire. Why are you starting it? Oh my god. Good thing I own this piece of shit. That's the face of a man. I hope you get sick from me just sitting in your car. He's probably like,
Tire's gone.
where's the tire? It's not on the road.